Unit 4. How old are you? Vocabulary. Welcome again! Today, let's learn about numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's say them again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Number 1. 1. O-N-E. 1.
1 apple.
1 balloon. 1. 2. Number 2. 2. T-W-O. 2. What have we got? 2 apples. 2 balloons. 2. 3. Number 3. 3. 3 T-H-R-E-E. Ooh, 3 apples. 3 balloons. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Now we have 4 apples and 4 balloons. Number 4. 5. Now we have 4 apples and 4 balloons. Plus 1 more is 5. Number 5. 5. F-I-V-E. Number 5. Now let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isn't learning numbers fun and interesting? Yes, it is. Remember to learn them at home, okay? That's the end of the lesson for today. Goodbye and see you again.